mostly sunny.
So
A 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon.
My first alert on here.
The ultraviolet index forecast for May 31st is 10 or very high.
Here we go.
Public warning system for weather radio station KEC55.
This one went off an unrecognized message.
Specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 10 a.m.
How did that thing not go off?
Between 6 and 8 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variation, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Bosque, Collin, Dallas, Denton, Ellis, Urath, Hill, Hood, Johnson, Parker, Somerville, Tarrant, and Wise. This concludes the test of weather radio station KEC55.